TheTravelEnthusiast channel. Today I'm going to be talking about the type of people at my sixth form. I'm not sure if this applies to every sixth form. I'm sure it kind of follows the same in the UK, but I'm just going to talk about my experience because this was actually suggested, recommended by someone in the comment section. Thank you to Holly Hot Birds, a quick shout out. They recommended to do this video, so thanks to them. Okay, so at my sixth form, it's not really a sixth form, it's more of a college because it's so big. There's about 300, 350 people-ish, with about 30 A-level options and about 10, 15 BTEC, so it has a variety of subjects, so that's kind of what attracts a lot of people. Yeah, it's a really popular sixth form. It's one of the only ones in the surrounding area. At my sixth form, there aren't necessarily groups like there used to be in secondary school, so year 7 to year 11. It's more of just like people have set groups. It's not really like cliques or whatever, or like the populars, and well, there are kind of popular ones, but like the thing is that quite a lot of people they go separate ways. You know, some people do apprenticeships, some people go to college and do a BTEC, or like some people do A-levels, some people work, so people are like moving all about. That groups are all like mixed, and so the group that used to be popular have now moved, so it's kind of smaller now, but they try to keep up with their own like, what's the word, like they're popular. Yeah, everyone's pretty nice at my sixth form. There's obviously going to be like the few aren't nice. I mean, because I'm now year 13, when I was in year 12, year 13s there wasn't many year 13s, but they're all very nice, didn't have any issues with any of them. Now I'm in year 13, the new year 12s, they are so cocky and so rude, honestly, they're so obnoxious, and I try not to even associate myself with them because, I don't know, I haven't got time and I can't be bothered to deal with that sort of, you know, character and personality. So I kind of just, you know, keep myself with my friends and everything. But yeah, the year 12s can be quite annoying, but I think they're trying to test boundaries, and they're trying to see where, you know, how much teachers are willing to take and how much like being a sixth form is about, because obviously having freeze, not wearing uniform, you know, having less lessons, having your phone, like I think that's such a massive shock from year 11 to year 12 to have that responsibility and to have that, you know, privileges. I talk to everyone, and when you get into sixth form, something you will realise is that you talk to everyone. There's not like, I don't want to speak to that person unless you've had a falling out with them or you absolutely hate them. But like, apart from that, people talk to everyone. My sixth form was lovely. When you go into sixth form, you kind of become, even though you're like 16, 9 or 17, you're an adult really, like you get treated like an adult. So everyone's really nice. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. Thank you.